Hello lovelies. So it's been a while since I've shared either a haul or a kit unboxing video, so I thought for today's video I'd open my Colour Blast Kit Club box. Now I only got this yesterday because I've moved house, mail redirection and all that jazz, so I'm a little late with it, but I thought you might still like to see what is in the Colour Blast Kit Club box. So basically, Colour Blast is a little bit different to a regular kit club. They are a mixed media kit club and they like to supply you with mixed media products and then inspirational booklet to show you how to use those products. So it's really good for people that are just starting out in mixed media and wanting to, one, build their stash, and two, learn how to use the products. So I thought we'd open it up and have a look. Yeah. So it has recently changed in the sense that you can now either subscribe to the basic media kit or the silver, gold or platinum. Of course I get the platinum because I can't say no to any new mixed media goodies. So the platinum basically, so this is the basic media kit, and then the platinum or the gold, the silver, whichever you choose, varies in the stencils and stamps that you get. So obviously with the platinum I get all the stencils and stamps that are released with each kit. Now the lovely Michelle Grant designs these exclusively for Colour Blast, so you can't get them anywhere else. You can buy them from the website separately from the kits, but it's really fun to have them with the kits because it all coordinates. So this is the basic media kit, and then extras are designed for the silver, gold and platinum kits if you decide you want some of the other stuff. So we'll do them in a minute. So this is the basic kit that you get. So you get an awesome booklet and it shows you and gives you full detailed instructions of everything that is made by the Kit Club design team. Now the Colour Blast design team and the Kit Club design team are two separate design teams. Yes, I'm on the Colour Blast design team, but the Kit Club design team is a different thing altogether. So I subscribe to the Kit Club, but I'm on the Colour Blast design team, if that makes sense. So the Kit Club design team get their kits and then they make all these awesome little products and things, and they give you instructions on how they've done it using the products in the kit. So obviously, oh wow, that's pretty. So you get your full color instructions, your photos. Oh, I love that. If you can't tell, I'm only just opening this myself. So yeah, full instructions and inspiration on how to make all the products that they've made, and then some other stuff that they've made with their leftovers. I love that one. So yeah, so it also at the front tells you everything you get in the kit, and then this is the kit contents, and then as you can see, this is the extra stuff that you can get. Now if you subscribe to the other kit, the gold, platinum or the silver, gold or platinum, it will depend on what you get. Now as you can see, because I've got the platinum, I have all of this in here, so I don't have to buy any of it separate. It all comes because I get the platinum because I can't say no. So I'll start with the mixed media products that you get. So in this one we've got Bling color embossing powder. Now these are a mixed media embossing powder and I don't actually have Bling, so I'm looking forward to playing with that. And this is the Bordeaux Color Artist ink. Now I don't think I have that color either, so that's very exciting. Not that doubles bother me at all because I go through that much media, it's not funny. So, but the artist inks are actually one of my absolute favorite products to play with, so I'm looking forward to that. And then you also get a mister bottle. Now this will be good, especially if you're new to mixed media and you're buying this kit to help you learn about, you know, mixed media products. This is a necessity in any mixed media toolkit. Fill it up with water. Is very great with these inks because they're water reactive, so you can have a lot of fun with just a mister and an ink, one of these ink bottles. So that's all a very good inclusion to have in the kit. So you can play with your supplies. Basically if you're just a beginner, But also, if you're more advanced, you can make your own colour spray with this and one of these. So it's great for beginners or people that are more, you know, advanced in mixed media. So lots of fun. So that is something you always get. You always get mixed media supplies from the Colour Blast range. And then you get the kit contents. Now, recently, they come with a coordinating stamp and die, stamp and stencil, and a metallic die. So this is part of the basic kit. So this is part of the basic media kit. So you get a stamp. It's great value when you think about it. You get your mixed media, your stamp, your stencil, and a metal die. It's really cool. I'm looking really forward to playing with this. It's going to be fun. I love butterflies, so I see a card with this. I'm looking forward to playing with that. And then you get the papers and things, you know, that are being used in the inspiration booklet. So there's all these beautiful papers from 7 Studio. Ooh, that's nice. That's going to be fun for some Halloween fun, I think. Now, obviously, you don't have to follow the booklet, but, you know, the booklet is there if you want to, you know, just make some projects, you know, with very little thought put into it. Basically, it shows you how to make everything with what's in the kit. But at the same time, you don't have to only use it for the kit, obviously. And so then in here, we've got some little goodies. We've got some, what would you call that? Hessian, maybe? Ooh, little gems. Some brads. Ooh, pearl string. Ooh, that's nice. A piece of lace. And then some doilies. And then the stamp and stencil for this, the die is this really cool, what would you call that? Toadstools? Mushrooms? Mushrooms. This awesome stamp, and then I don't know if you can see that. Let's open that, and I'll put it on the black. You'll be able to see it better. And then this Live Your Dreams stamp, stencil. Why do I keep saying stamp? Stencil. So this is all in the media kit, just the basic media kit. Now, the extras that you can get with this collection, because every kit that comes out has a set of stamp and stencil extras that all go together, if that makes sense. So it's like another collection. And in this month's collection, we've got the stamp, a stencil, not stamp, the stencil that matches the die. So this is A6 size stencil, which is, what, roughly 4x6? Yep. And then, I'll just move it over there. You get 2 more dies, so you get this awesome birdcage, and this really cool distressed butterfly, which I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with that. Another stamp set with that awesome distressed butterfly and the Live Your Dreams, more mushrooms and the birdcage. And then we have an A5 and an A4 stencil. I love the inclusion of the A4 stencils. I love the size, I think it's awesome. So this is the A5 stencil, which is like 5x7 size. That's really nice. And then the A4 stencil is very similar, if not the same as the A5, just a lot bigger. I love the inclusion of the A4 stencils. It's a size I don't tend to have much until recently subscribing to these kits, so I'm really excited for this size. So yeah, that's my kit. Very excited to play with it this month. And yeah, as I was saying, it's great if you want to get into mixed media. If you're, you know, a newbie and you want to build your stash and also want some direction on how to use some of your products, the design team are really cool in that sense that they think outside the box, but also at the same time show you the basics of using some of these really cool products. But then at the same time, if you are more advanced and you just, you know, want to get some new stamps and stencils, it's great for that too. So that is the October kit. Cannot wait to play and really looking forward to, oh look, sneak peek of December. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I love sneak peeks. This looks like a really nice colour. I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. But anyway, This is the October, that's right, for this year it is bi-monthly, but as of next year it will be every month, so that's going to be even more exciting. So, hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and I will be back Thursday with a new video. Bye for now.